Alright, do you guys remember the annoying orange? For those of you who have no idea who I'm talking about, basically it was a very popular channel back like, what, 9 years ago or something? And every single one of their videos was just like this creepy ass talking orange, annoying other creepy talking fruits. And the thing is, I did not know this channel was still a thing, but apparently they're still making videos like every single day. And for some reason this video called How to Solve Rubik's Cube by the Annoying Orange popped up in my recommendation. So let's give this a watch and see how exactly you solve the Rubik's Cube according to the Annoying Orange.
Ahoy, mateys! Get ready to set sail on the sea of knowledge with orange!
And pear!
Wait, do they not do the animations anymore? Okay, so look, if you've never watched their old videos, like their mouths would be like moving when they actually talked, and their eyes would be looking around and stuff. But they got so lazy that it's just a picture now of the fruit. Alright, let's just continue watching the video.
This episode we'll be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
I love that name. Red Kirby 101 is here with whatever that is.
That's no easy task, but let's give it a shot! Step 1, think like a Rubik's Cube!
Why did I actually think they would be like giving us actual instructions? I don't know why I actually expected them to be like, oh yeah, do the white cross. But just think like a Rubik's Cube. Alright, bet. Okay, let's do this.
Think like a Rubik's Cube? How exactly are you gonna do that, Orange?
Easy! Practice on your own body! Woohoo! Oh wait, my mouth's next to my butt now.
Yeah, something tells me that people watching this video aren't gonna be able to do that.
Why not? He can do it!
Whoa! Whoa! Alright, this is ridiculous.
More like Rubiculous!
Why did I like unironically laugh at that? That's amazing. What even is this video?
Step 2, focus on completing one side of the Rubik's Cube.
Alright, yeah, good luck with that, buddy.
And when you inevitably get one square away from completing the side and realize it's impossible, go ahead and take out your frustrations by blowing up the Rubik's Cube with TNT!
Orange! No!
What? Rubik's Cubes are the spawn of Satan himself!
No, they aren't.
Yeah, huh? If you sprinkle holy water on a Rubik's Cube, it hisses at you!
Shit. Oh crap. Alright, no hiss. Crap, my ground is so wet. Why did I think that was a good idea? Okay. Let me just like change pants really quick.
And inside each Rubik's Cube is a tiny demon who pokes you with his pitchfork. Ow! Step 3, give up and get a different hobby.
Dude, honestly, that's like what I say to like all my friends. You know, everyone's all like, why do you still cube? And I'm like, I don't know, I need a new hobby, but you know what, screw it, I've been doing it too long. But to every single cuber out there, stop, just get a new hobby. No, I'm just kidding, cubing is great, trust me, I love cubing so much.
Pear, Rubik's Cubes are impossible. Admit it, no one has ever completed one.
I've just completed a bunch of them. It just takes patience.
Sorry, no can do. My attention span is shorter than Little Apple.
Who the heck is that?
Now if you'll excuse me, I've taken up an awesome new hobby, blowing up Rubik's Cubes with TNT!
No!
This video is just absolutely amazing. I love it so much. Anyways, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.